How to change crosshair on AOC monitor. I'm going to tell you how to change the crosshair on an AOC monitor. This process is straightforward. First, locate the menu button on your monitor. It could be on the front, side, or underneath, depending on your model. Press it to open the on-screen display or OSD menu. Once inside, look for the OSD setup section. This is where most crosshair related settings are found if your monitor supports the feature. If your monitor has this option, you should see a setting for enabling or customizing the crosshair. Select it and choose the style that works best for you. Some models may offer different colors or shapes, while others provide only a basic overlay. However, not all AOC monitors have this feature. Some may offer limited customization, while others might not include it at all. If you don't see any crosshair settings in the OSD menu, then unfortunately, your monitor doesn't support built-in crosshairs. In that case, you might need to use third-party software or a gaming overlay to get a similar effect.